finish, nigga. Fast money, fast cars, I do it for this shit.
Drop a comment, let me know what you guys think about the new hood, bro. Is it a yes or a no on the little black side? What can you call them? Fins, gills, vents. They're not vents because the vents are those.
The other side is off?
No.
Yo, what's the deal, guys? Welcome back to another video, man. We in Bakersfield and it's hot as fuck. Hey, but you already told them about what's going on right here? Cause Mr. Joe turned that shit in at 1 in the morning last night. Mad as fuck. But hey, what y'all like the hood or what?
That's what I'm asking them if they like that, the little black.
I like it a lot. It's something different. I wasn't expecting. I wasn't sure how it was gonna look, but I was like, fucking let's do it. Cause, I don't know.
And you know what Gio called it? La Deadpool.
What?
Hey man, but shout out to the sponsors. Street Concept. We didn't even record. We almost.
Yo, ¿qué rollo? ¿Qué rollo?
¿Qué rollo? ¿Qué onda?
¿Ni stickers o what?
Yeah, we did.
Yeah, ¿y te aquí o no?
Well.
The Meister.
For all your sticker needs, the sticker plug.
If you ever need stickers, man, hit up my guy. Una chupadita, I mean, fucking around.
The street concept, una chupadita.
Get some all done, bro. Hell yeah, baby.
We ready, baby.
Oh yeah, we got the LSA server here at the Street Concept booth. We just finished setting it up right now. That shit is low-key a mission because there's a bunch of tubes and shit, but we're good to go, baby. We got the Dermax right there. Look back there, you see Eastman. But look, check it out. Oh yeah. Let me show you guys the hood. The hood looking nice. Real nice. Look at that. Oh man, what? What happened? What the fuck? What the fuck? But check it out. The new hood. Y'all like it or not? I love it. That should look good with the black. But look, we do have our merch as well. If you guys are not able to make it to the shows, we do have this online.
That's hard. Oh, that's so proud.
Damn, you dropped a blunt.
Should I call my girl right now?
FaceTime. We're having some watermelon for breakfast.
See that school.
This is how not to cut a watermelon, because you might cut your finger,
don't
to
do
be
it that
honest.
much.
What the? How are you gonna take it off?
It's separate by itself. Naturally.
Ah.
Nice, mate.
Fire, huh?
And we got one more in the truck, so. One more.
I don't know why there's so many.
I don't know. Start setting up a booth, huh?
Here's everything we should get one.
I think it's finally time we get a new booth.
I think for next show we should have one, right?
Hell yeah. Well, look, we got the homie right here. Oh, them fucking adders. They're about to jump me right now, but I'm not lying. Y'all got the same haircut. But check it out. You see? Yeah, so at first when I got here, I had just got a regular burnout ticket. Oh, not a burnout ticket, a regular truck show ticket for the LSA. But we got the burnout one. We are ready to go. But let's just show you guys what they got around here. They got a bunch of fast shit. Shit, homie! That fool Alexi just cashed out on this shit right here. Look, hey, but shout out Alexi's always coming through with the Scarface mix at every show in Cali. But look, he just bought this shit right here. That shit's bad as fuck. Hell yeah, like $100 details. Yeah. Look at the color on it. No. That shit slammed. That shit got a crazy ass color right there. Shit on walking, bro. My balls are sweaty, knees weak, arms is heavy. I'm gonna try.
I'll get it on video. Clean that
Yo, I'm gonna try, I'm gonna try.
Gracias.
Sir, that was your radiator. Beautiful. Hey, a proper turn signal. Pero no, pero el radiador, viejo. ¡Hey, te ¡toma famous people out here today. Oh, man.
calidad. Ahí estamos, viejo, with the TAKE0VER.
Allá va el loco otra vez. I didn't even know he went back into the line after I finished and he went next. You can barely hear his supercharger.
Tires right now and go in there because they close the pit at 4. It's already 3:40.
Oh, hell no. What happened? The burger?
You want barbecue?
Fuck it, right here, yeah. Man, all these damn flies, bro. What the fuck? You know over there? Back over there? That's a far ass walk, huh?
Donut shop. Straight to the pocket.
Go over there. Man, it's about time we eat something, bro, because I'm hungry as hell. This fool had already ate, and Nando had already ate.
I passed out earlier in the chair.
What the? But I got a little asada fries. I was supposed to get nachos, but I said fries on accident. But I ain't tripping.
Asada fries, I got chicken fries.
Fuck it. Oh, yo, we are ready to go home. Check that out right there. The LS Fest looks nice. But we are ready to go. We are loaded. We got Dave on the back, but this is how we're ending the vlog.
It's a wrap. We're ending with a UFO and 3 hours back home.
You're ready as fuck, your face.
I'm exhausted for no reason. We didn't do nothing.
We're just hot as fuck out here, bro, but I'm gone.
Guys, we out of here.
Where's that shit going? Fuck. They should started smoking all over the fucking freeway, yo. And we are about to be on bullshit. So we got Diego to come back, and we're gonna load up the Duramax onto this trailer right here. Get all right, it is midnight, bro. What time?
4 hours already.
Holy shit. Bro, the rescue has came, and oh my god, what the fuck happened to it?
Coming out hot.
Spanky says get black dude, man. That shit. That shit look funny bunny. look good. And we've been stuck in here for like 5 hours already. E-brake or what?
I've been there, nigga, press the brakes.
We got that. Connected to that.
This one? Yeah.
The fucking GMC. What's going on?
Back it up a little bit, Diego.
Yeah?
Hold on, wait.
Wait.
Stop.
Oh yeah.
Hold on, wait. Damn. Hey, that's just gonna fucking hit the truck with it.
What if
I gotta hold it on that side.
What if you just fucking that strap, the ratchet strap, just pull it more? Damn, man.
No, yeah, we're not gonna.
Oye, valió verga, cut.
Hey, that fool said, hey, the high beams are super bright on your truck. I told him, those are stock lights, bro.
That's fresh out the
High
dealer
beams,
light.
and he was like, turn those off, they're dangerous.
So it's Fakey the informant.
Watch it.
Hold on. Hold up. Alright, now the CHP is gone. He was low-key tripping because we were taking over this whole street, but I mean, there's no cars that have been passing by, so I don't know what they was tripping about. But this shit loaded. Alright, we are ready to go. Fucking damn max looks sketch as fuck, but it's good. We used like 1,000 straps on it. But look, I didn't think I'd ever see this right here, bro. That shit look crazy. What the hell? Hey, look. We're right here like a fucking pack of weenies.
It's time to go home. It's time to go sleep.
And
We're losing it.
hey, but dirtbags have the motherfucking trailer.
property with us, nigga. Yeah, I mean, you wasn't there, nigga. You wasn't there with us, nigga.